This is day 7, our Viking European Sojourn trip, and we're in Vidin, Bulgaria, and we're in the afternoon having some free time, so we took a tour of town on our own, just walking around, and we came across the Jewish Cultural Museum, or Friendship Center. The former synagogue is just located just a short distance from where our boat was docked.
Now entering the Jewish Cultural Center. Big Star of David on the sidewalk. So this was
a synagogue.
And it was given over to the community.
It was given over to the community because they did not have enough active members to run it as a synagogue. So then later on it was taken over by the city and renovated, and it's now a cultural center for the city, but it does host a display of everything to do with the Jewish religion.
So apparently you need 10 old men to have an active Jewish synagogue. Unfortunately, they didn't have that many. There's only apparently 17 Jewish people, or people who follow the Jewish religion, in the town of Vidin now. So this synagogue was converted over to or handed over, or nationalized, I should say. And it was converted to a community house. And then the people of Bulgaria chipped in. There's lots of donors, and they renovated it. Very modern, very beautiful.
So after we left the Jewish Cultural Center, we continue our walk through the city, and a short distance later, we found St. Nicholas Orthodox Church, which was built in the 19th century, but it rests on the site of another church that was built in the 18th century. Anyways, very impressive architecture. The mosaics on the floor, as well as the paintings and frescoes on the wall, were truly impressive. It's an active church. They had some sort of a religious ceremony going on at the time. They had a woman and the priest would come out and sing at various times. But we were other than one other couple, we're the only ones there. Free to get in, great to look around. Highly recommend this as well. And again, just a very short, maybe 5-minute walk from where our ship, the Viking Vidin, was docked.
Господа милости много, Него избавление, Той избавит из елца и беззаконието. Силою укрепляя немощ Твою, блажене, нашу немощ волею понеси, мученическое течение, ради прошения.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to learn more about the Viking European Sojourn tour that we're on, I post every day, so follow along.